Hey there guys, it's Marlena Burton. Just in the back office of one of my systems, I have multiple income streams. So grateful about that. And as you can see here, I have at some point sponsored 63 people personally. And this has been a few years, so it's not just like I'm this great marketer or anything, it's just been time, okay? And so I want to encourage you, regardless of what you're doing, you need to give it time, okay? And so I actually follow my own recipe for financial expansion, and that is as simple as paying yourself $1 a day into your financial freedom account, financial expansion account, and you offer to help one other person do the same every single day, okay? And guys, if you do that, even helping one person a month that says yes, you could be helping 4,096 people in a year, okay? And so we were instructed at Millionaire Mind Intensive. We have about 7 different accounts, but I just want to focus on the financial expansion one, financial freedom account. And we were instructed to only put the money into something that can pay you back, okay? So you follow the recipe, you decide what's going to pay you back. If you want to see one of my systems, then you can log in and you'll get access to what I do, or you can send me an email for specifically where I put my money. And it doesn't mean that where I put my money is going to work any better than any place else, but you'll just have access to my information. And so I want to encourage you to go to onewithoutlimits.weebly.com or text me at 618-223-6006. And I look forward to helping you improve your finances, guys. It's about habit. It's about renewing your mind. If you renew your mind, your life will be transformed. It takes faith, repetition, and expectancy, and you're on your way. So keep it super simple. Have some fun. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye for now.